Hi, I know you said you'll be doing your last revision in the morning. I just wanted to let you know which files I wanted in the regular formats plus the PNG format. This file right here, basically every file without the football, with the name without the name in the football. So this file, this file, and this file. And then if you could just double back and send these in PNG along with these same ones without the name in the middle in the same formats as these, and that would work great. Once again, let me know if there's anything else I need to do. But to be clear, this file right here, this file right here, this file right here, this file right here. And then also these same files I just pointed out without the name in there, just so that I can have a version with the name and without in the PNG format and also in these formats. Thank you. Appreciate all you've done. Thank you.